How to fix Cinema SD app not working. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to make sure the app is up to date. To check, open Play Store on a device. Now using the search icon, you simply need to type in Cinema SD and then search for the applications update. If there is any update, you simply need to update the application to the latest version. But in case if the button says open, that means you already have the latest version. In that case, you need to move on the next step. If updating didn't work, the next thing to try is clearing the app cache and data. Simply locate the Cinema SD app on a device and press and hold the application icon until a menu pops up, then tap on App Info. On the App Info page, scroll down and tap on Storage. Now press Clear Cache and Data. This can resolve any bugs or glitches within the application, and once you have done that, check if the app works properly. And with that, you can easily reinstall the application if this didn't work for you. And that's how you can easily fix Cinema SD app not working. I hope this guide worked, and if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.